From the birth of mankind, humans have been attracted with strength. Early people depended on their physical abilities to hunt, construct, and defend. Today, the quest of a powerful and muscular body remains a prevalent ambition. This article dives into the physics underlying muscular development. Understanding how muscles develop may be powerful. It helps us to make educated choices regarding our training and eating. Whether you are an athlete, fitness enthusiast, or someone trying to better health, these ideas may guide you. Muscular hypertrophy is the biological mechanism that supports muscular development. Simply described, it is the growth in the size of muscle fibers. Resistance exercise generates minute rips in muscle fibers. The body heals and rebuilds muscle tissue, making it bigger and stronger. Imagine muscles as a network of interwoven fibers. More strands signify a thicker, stronger rope, analogous to muscle fibers. Building muscle increases the size and quantity of these fibers. Resistance exercise, often known as strength training or weightlifting, is the cornerstone of muscular development. It includes putting our muscles to a force higher than what they are used to. This may be performed with free weights, resistance bands, and weight machines. The notion of increasing overload is crucial. Gradually increase the demands imposed on muscles over time. Increase weight, repetitions or sets, or minimize rest intervals. Different workouts target muscle areas individually. Compound exercises use numerous muscle groups. Isolation exercises concentrate on a single muscle group. Nutrition has a key part in muscle building, and protein is the main performer. Protein is necessary for creating and mending tissues, including muscle tissue. It offers the building blocks known as amino acids that our systems need to generate new muscle proteins. Think of protein as the bricks and mortar needed to create a structure. Just as a structure needs a regular supply of bricks and mortar to grow higher, our muscles need a constant intake of amino acids to repair and rebuild, eventually leading to muscular development. The recommended daily protein consumption for persons participating in resistance exercise is greater than that of inactive individuals. While the actual quantity varies based on variables such as body weight, activity level, and training intensity, a general recommendation is to ingest 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight every day. High-quality protein sources such as meat, chicken, fish, eggs, dairy products, beans, lentils, and soy products supply all the critical amino acids our systems require to maintain muscle building. Incorporating a range of these protein sources into your diet will assist ensure you are reaching your daily protein needs. While protein takes center stage in the muscle development process, other vital nutrients play supporting roles in improving muscle growth and repair. Carbohydrates, lipids, vitamins, and minerals all contribute to the complicated symphony of muscle building. Carbohydrates give our bodies with the energy they need to fuel our exercises and assist muscle repair. They replace glycogen reserves, which are drained during activity, ensuring our muscles have the energy they need to operate at their optimum. Fats, widely maligned in the past, are important for hormone synthesis, cell membrane health, and the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, should be incorporated in a balanced diet that promotes muscle building. Vitamins and minerals operate as cofactors in several metabolic processes, including muscle protein synthesis and energy generation. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains offers a diverse assortment of vitamins and minerals important for general health and muscular building. The notion of the anabolic window has attracted substantial interest in the fitness sector. It refers to the hypothetical time following exercise when our muscles are supposed to be more responsive to nutrition, notably protein. While the precise length of the anabolic window is controversial, it is typically assumed to extend for many hours following a workout. Consuming protein and carbs during this time window is expected to improve muscle protein synthesis and glycogen replenishment, perhaps leading to higher muscular development. However, it is vital to highlight that the total daily consumption of protein and other nutrients remains necessary, regardless of meal schedule. A balanced lunch or snack comprising both protein and carbs within a couple of hours after an exercise is a realistic method to take advantage of the possible advantages of the anabolic window. Examples include a protein smoothie with fruit, grilled chicken with sweet potato, or Greek yogurt with berries. While scheduling your nutrition around exercises may give a little advantage, it is vital to remember that consistency and devotion to a well-balanced diet are paramount for long-term muscle development and general health. In the quest of muscular development, it is tempting to get caught up in the thrill of training and pushing our limitations. However, despite the clanging weights and tough exercises, it is vital to remember that muscular development happens not during, but after our training sessions. Rest and recuperation are not symptoms of weakness, but rather necessary components of the muscular growth process. When we work out, we cause small rips in our muscle fibers. Rest helps our bodies to heal this damage, regenerate muscle tissue, and restore energy reserves, eventually leading to muscular development. Adequate sleep is vital for muscle healing and development. During sleep, our bodies produce growth hormone, which plays a key function in tissue repair and muscle protein synthesis. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of excellent sleep each night to enhance muscle repair and general health. Active recuperation, such as modest aerobics, yoga, or stretching, may help enhance blood flow, decrease muscular pain, and assist in recovery. recovery. Listen to your body and include rest days or active recovery sessions into your training schedule as required. Hormones play a critical role in muscle development, functioning as chemical messengers that govern many body activities, including muscle protein synthesis and tissue repair. Two major hormones involved in muscle building are testosterone and growth hormone. Testosterone, commonly linked with masculinity, is an anabolic hormone that stimulates muscular development and strength. It boosts muscle protein synthesis, increases satellite cell activity, which are important in muscle repair, and accelerates recovery. Growth hormone, as its name indicates, it serves a key function in growth and development, particularly muscular growth. It enhances protein synthesis, improves amino acid intake by muscles, and accelerates fat breakdown, giving energy for muscular development. While our bodies normally manufacture these hormones, levels might fall with age or due to circumstances such as stress, lack of sleep, and poor diet. Resistance training, especially compound exercises, may naturally enhance testosterone and growth hormone levels. While devotion to exercise and diet is crucial for muscle development, heredity also plays a key part in determining our muscle growing capacity. Just as some persons are genetically inclined to thrive in specific activities, some people are naturally given with a better ability for muscular development. Genetic variables that govern muscle development include muscle fiber type distribution, hormone levels, and the amount of satellite cells we possess. Individuals with a larger percentage of rapid twitch muscle fibers, which have a better potential for development, may have quicker muscular increases than individuals with a preponderance of slow twitch fibers. Furthermore, differences in genes that govern hormone synthesis, such as testosterone and growth hormone, might impact muscle development. Similarly, people with a greater number of satellite cells may have an advantage in terms of muscle repair and development. It is crucial to understand that heredity does not decide our fate. While some people may have a natural edge, everyone can develop muscle and enhance their body via continuous exercise, correct diet, and enough rest. Tailored approach. Crafting a successful muscle building strategy involves a tailored approach that incorporates your specific objectives, exercise experience, lifestyle, and preferences. There is no one-size-fits-all program, and what works best for one individual may not be ideal for another. Start by setting reasonable objectives and developing a regular training regimen. Aim to exercise each muscle group 2 to 3 times each week, allowing for ample recuperation between sessions. Choose workouts that you love and that meet your fitness level. Progressive stress is important for continued muscular development. Gradually increase the weight, repetitions, or sets of your workouts over time, or reduce rest intervals to test your muscles and drive adaptation. Nutrition is crucial for muscular building. Consume a balanced diet rich in protein, carbs, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Aim for 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day spread throughout the day. Prioritize rest and recuperation. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of excellent sleep each night and add rest days or active recovery sessions into your training regimen. Listen to your body and modify your workout and diet as required. The quest of muscle development is a path that demands effort, consistency, and a profound grasp of the science underpinning muscle adaptation. By accepting the ideas presented in this article, you may unleash your muscle growth potential and create a body that represents your hard work and perseverance. Remember that muscular building is a progressive process. Be patient. Stay dedicated to your goal and celebrate your success along the way. As you continuously test your muscles with resistance training, support your body with a healthy diet, and emphasize rest and recovery, you will experience the transformational force of muscular development, the way to a stronger, more muscular. You start with a single step. Accept the challenge. Remain educated and enjoy the process of altering your body and mind. Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.